Okay, I'm just going to go over two of the trades that I posted on the weekly support and resistance video. The first trade is going to be the pound Swiss. You can see that I took a sell within this area, and we will go into trading view and I'll show you these areas here. This is the daily zone nested within the weekly zone here for the sell. And you can see we're getting close here to the 2-to-1 that I'm targeting on the pound Swiss trade. Now we head over to the pound yen. You can see that we're even closer. It's a little bit stronger to the downside here on the pound yen, and it's close to the 2-to-1 as well. So I'm targeting both 2-to-1s for both of these pound trades. Let's head over to the trading view here, and you can just have a look. I've pulled up the pound Swiss, and you can see that I've got the daily zone nested within the weekly zone. So the weekly zone here is just right here. You can see the green candle, two blues, and a red. And then if we drop down into the daily, you can see where I've put the daily zone right in here. The green, one blue, and a red candle drop. So if you haven't watched the nested video on doing a zone within a zone, I'll post the link right up in the corner here, and you can click on that and head over and watch the nested video that I created. Okay, and you can see that we've come up into this area twice. We came up into it last week and then this week, and I've taken the trade this week to the downside. We've almost hit our 2-to-1 here on the pound Swiss. So let's go back to the weekly here and head over to the pound yen, and you can see that there's our weekly zone, our one blue candle, or one green candle, sorry, one blue, and then a nice drop here on the weekly. Come back up into this area, and this is where I've took in the short. If we do drop this down into the daily, I'll show you here. Within the weekly zone, you can see that we've got a red, a blue, and a red. So I'll mark this up because this is a nested within on the daily within the weekly. And we'll just put our line here. And you can see how price reacted within this area here. We came up once, and this was last week as well, and pushed down, and then we've come back up into the same area and have pushed down from it. So you could have gotten a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 up in this area last week, and then the same here. I'm going for the 2-to-1, and it's pushed down nicely from it. So again, if you haven't watched the nested video, I'll post it up here. You can click on that, have a look, and see why I've taken the trades on the pound Swiss and the pound yen. I will post a video link at the end of this video coming up here in 2 minutes for the support and resistance video that I created. I create them every Sunday, so you can have a look at that as well, and you'll see that I've had these zones on the weekly support and resistance video. Alright, hope this helps for people, and we'll talk to you later.